Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is May the 9th, 2020, and I'm going to be harvesting some vegetables here out of the greenhouse. I have some squash to harvest. Now these will get larger. I'm taking some of the ones off that don't look like they're growing anymore. They're kind of getting like a darker color to them. And I'm going to be taking a zucchini off over here. So I'm going to be taking my zucchini off over here. I have some more cucumbers to get and lots of tomatoes. I did harvest some lettuce out of our lettuce bin. And we're going to have fried squash with supper tonight and fried zucchini and a nice salad. Now I'm on my own with the camera today, so I can't show cutting the squash off. But when I cut it off, I'm going to cut it off like right back here. And I recommend using pruners so that you don't damage your plants. So this is what I got off so far for the zucchini and the squash. Now this one here had stopped growing. And it's possibly due to lack of pollination. I was trying to hand pollinate them. And this one was the same way. It kind of was growing strange, but you could tell that it was getting older because you can see and you can see with this one here that it's getting a lot darker, like yellow, and this one here is like a lighter yellow. So I did take these two off. I still have some that are still on, and I'm going to let those go and see what they do. And what will happen is if these stop growing and I let them on the plant, it's going to tell the plant to stop giving. And these are very young plants, so we want to make sure that we keep them going. And by harvesting your fruits off of your squash and your zucchini, you'll keep your plants going a whole lot longer. And when your squash and your zucchini start getting really big, the plants will really slow down or they'll just stop giving. So the battery died on the camera, so I have to finish it up this way. Sorry about that. But I did get a very nice harvest off with the cucumbers and all the tomatoes and stuff. And the fried squash and the zucchini were so sweet. We did have those for supper that night, and they had a wonderful flavor to them. Now we do feed those with a product called Sea Magic, and we also feed them with Eco Scraps 555 all-purpose plant food. And I will start feeding them then with some Epsom salts. I just didn't get that far yet, but you know, very pleased with how well they're turning out. We're getting an early harvest. Last week we had snow still in May, and that's very unusual. So the greenhouse is definitely giving us an earlier harvest. And we are still working on the other greenhouse. We had a little delay in getting the one supply that we needed for the channel lock and the wiggle wire to lock the plastic in. So that put us behind schedule on getting that finished. But we do have, I believe, everything now to finish that one off. And we're going to be growing stuff in that one like we're doing with this one here. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button that will tell you when I put a new video on. And also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!